Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have AREA21 here with a song called Time Machine. So yeah, this one is a cool, chill song. And where would you go with your time machine? That's the question. That's what we sing about here. But we're gonna learn how to play this cool song here. And I'm just gonna give you two different parts of the song, you can say, and that's all you need. First part is this kind of cool melody that goes almost through the entire song here. And then I'm gonna give you just a cool strumming pattern that you can use for these three chords. And yeah, you heard right, only three chords for this song, guys. Let's start with no capo need here, and the chords will be E minor. So very simple here, open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. That's the E minor. Then we have chord, the D here, but with an F sharp in the bass. Sounds like that. So it will be second on the E, open A, open D, then second on G, third on B, and open E. And what I do here, most times I like to mute this A string here with this finger here. I put it on the second fret E and I just lean it on top of this A string here. That's how I do it, okay? That is the D with a F sharp in the bass. And the third and final chord will be C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. C major 7. Okay, now we have the chords, and we will look at the melody first, and then we will look at the strumming pattern. So let's start with this E minor part first. It sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play third on the E string, second on E string, then third on B string, open B, second G, and then you're gonna play the open G together with the open E. Okay? And when you play this open G and open E right after, you can give it a clap like this. So you just hammer on with your hand on top of the strings here with your right hand. So, alright. Then the next part will be the D chord here with the F sharp in the bass, and that's just one picking like this. So you just play the second fret on the E string in the bass together with the open D and the second fret G. So all these three strings, three notes are plucked together, and you give it a clap again like this. And then we're gonna play that last part here for this first half of this melody, because we just played one part here, the E minor, D, and C. You're gonna do it for 2 rounds to play the whole melody here. So the last part will just be plucked here from the C major 7 chord, and you will pluck the 3rd fret on the A string, the 2nd fret on D, and then the open G and open B. All these 4 strings, 4 notes together. Okay? So to repeat this first half of this melody here. Second fret E, sorry, third fret E, second fret E, third B, open B, second G, and then open G together with open E, clap, and then second fret E together with open D and second G, clap, and then third fret A, second fret D, open G and open B, and clap. So. Alright, and then we are in the second part of this melody. It starts in the same way, exactly the same way for the E minor as we learned on the first part. But here you will skip the claps because you don't have time and it will kill the sound also. So you will just skip the claps here, so just strictly notes. Okay, so far till this E minor, open E and open G together, it's the same. Then comes second G and open B. That's a bridge to the next chord, which is the D and F sharp again, the D F sharp. So the second E minor, the second part here, we'll just add from the same here from the first part, you just add a second fret G and open B. And then you're gonna go to this D F sharp chord. This time you're gonna play the second fret E string in the bass together with the second fret D string. And then open D and second D. So this D F sharp part will be. And then you just end with the C major 7. This time you're gonna play third A, second D, and open G together. Only these 3 strings. And that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna play through this very slow here so you can be able to follow and see how it connects everything here. So let's go. Yeah, that is the melody here. And the last part here, just to give you some tips there of the technique, how to use everything. You can, from the melody here, you don't have to play all this and pluck all these notes with your right hand. You can use the hammer on. Or actually the pull off. You can play only once here with your right hand. And you pull off from the third fret to the second fret here on the E string. And the same for the third fret B to open B if you want. So that means on the E and B string you only play 2 times with your right hand and you actually play 4 notes. Okay. And another tip here. In the last chord here on the second part, from this D to the F sharp. Okay. When you do this part here, what I do, I play, of course, these 2 on the second fret E string on this and the second fret D string together, and then I play on the D string. I hammer on, I play 1 time open on the D string and I hammer on with my middle finger here. So it's on place here for the next chord, the C major 7, because that goes pretty fast there. So like this. So I don't have to and then try to change my grip here. So it's already on place there with my right with the right finger here, which is the middle finger here. Okay, so that's just one tip there to get more efficient here with the playing and get the right technique there. Okay, so that was the first part promised there, the melody. Now let's look at the strumming here. Of course, still the same chords here. Okay, that is how it goes. So you're gonna play on the E minor, down, clap, only, okay? Down, clap. And then you change to the D, F sharp chord. You're gonna play down, down, clap. Okay? So, down, clap, down, down, clap. And then you immediately change to the C major chord, and you're gonna play down, down, clap 2 times. So down, down, clap, and pause, and then back to E again. So slowly it will be like this. Down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. E, D, C, C, E, D, C, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so that is how this song goes, guys. AREA21, of course, Time Machine, and good luck with this melody. It's real cool and a chill song, which we love here on this channel. So good luck with this and see you soon. Don't forget, guys, stay tuned.